Alright guys, to fix the handle or to change the handle to the other side, um, from the left to the right, if you look it from my point of view, and then yeah, you got a spring here. It's a very cheap handle, so you just have to remove the spring. The spring, it's not that it breaks, but it's a very cheap product. So the spring usually come loose, and everything disintegrate, and the handle doesn't work anymore. This is how the handle now look. If you look at it from this side, this must be on this side now when you finish. This is a plate that keep your handle steady, so you have to make sure that it could be sometimes confusing. And this is your spring inside. So what is actually just happening here is you have to take the spring out, or you can change it in there, but you just turn it around. That was there, but now we change it to this section here. This inside plate just keep everything together, and now we just want this to be and then you just put back your spring. While you're doing that, make sure that your spring is not too far apart, and that you actually struggle a little bit to put it in, but it's better to do that, and later on it might just get loose again. So the more difficult it is to put it back, the better. That's been put back. It's fitting the groove. Make sure it does. It's a very cheap product. So there it is. And the same if you want to put it to the other side, you go through the same procedure. Just take it off something sharp, much more easier. Take this out. Turn it to this side. First put it in this position, then you know this is where it's gonna stop. Put in the spring. Spring must be, just make sure it's in the groove, and there you got it. The spring is mostly the mount problem, that's why they usually breaks is because the spring jumps out. And yeah, there's the handle being changed to the other side. If the handle breaks, obviously it'll mostly break inside here. This is plastic stuff, so it'll be best to just buy a new one, which is very cheap. But usually keep old ones, you know. You can always use the parts, you know, maybe the handle, whatever the case might be.